Hello, good morning, dear viewers all over the world on this channel. This is my name is Robinson Erebi, and I am your anchor man on this channel, Vision Media TV. Right now, I'm at Ikibiri community, and as you can see, this flood has definitely surpassed that of 2012. So that is what I was saying. This is we never believed to be such, big flood, but today you can see the whole community is flooded. What we see here is collateral damage, and I think that people here are presently in their need of help, if that will come shortly. This place used to be farmlands for so many people. It was a green land, but today, as you can see, the water has submerged all the crops. People are just hurriedly trying to harvest their crops. Many have gone into the river, and the whole community is flooded. Yeah, this is my house, and as you can see, it's all in water. Very soon it will be very impossible for anybody to live in this house because we are just by the river bank. So I would say we are the first casualties of the floods. Victims of the flood, you might say. So this is it. I've just recorded my own about my own area. This is my house, and throughout the night we've been building waters in the rooms. All the rooms are flooded, as a matter of fact. And we have to make makeshift decks in the house, with planks and wood to pass the night. This is it. The whole place is flooded, so either that we are formerly farmlands, road paths are now like us moving in the town with boats, with canoes, as you can see. So much flood everywhere. This community is being submerged gradually. Wow. Oh, wow. This is terrible.
Flood everywhere.
Hello, good morning, madam.
Good morning.
What is the name?
My name is Robinson from Ikibiri community.
So,
Bayelsa State, Yenagoa local government.
This is a house.
Yes.
And what is happening here? How are you seeing this flood?
We are experiencing flood. So we are calling on government to come to our aid.
For how long has this continued?
For like 2 weeks ago.
Okay. So how are you feeling it? I see water is already into the house. How are you coping?
There is water inside my house. There is nowhere to stay.
Thank you.
The government should come and help us. The government should come and help us. We need rescue. Rescue now. Everywhere outside now.
So what's your name?
My name is Ebimobere Agamu.
Okay, so what do you have to say about this situation in the community today?
Yes, the situation now is very, very bad now in the Ikibiri community. Very, very bad. Like in my place now, I'm just coming from my hand, the school side, secondary school side. Okay. It's very, very bad, very critical now. Okay. The water has gone into my house. Everything, I've packed everything. I know where to even keep anything. So
since it started, has anybody come here to like?
No, nobody has come. Nobody has come. So okay. We are now begging government to come so that they should come and help us. The children, our children, they don't have anywhere to sleep, nowhere to go. So we don't know what will happen for the next 2-3 days ahead now. We don't know what will happen. So please, government should come. All of our farms, everything, plantain, cassava, everything has gone. We don't have food to eat. We need rescue. Please, government, come and help us.
Hello. So, good morning.
Happy. Wala.
And you?
Wala foul.
Okay, so, we know who you are.
I'm a cattle operator.
Okay, so what do you have to say about this flood that's ravaging this community right now?
You see, you can now see that the community everywhere is filled up with water, and it is too embarrassing. No, it's a common phenomenon. It is natural disaster. We take it that way, but it's not too pleasing with the inhabitants of this place. So we feel it's very bad. Have disturbed so many of things that we're supposed to do. Have stopped us now. All our movement, everything is now restricted. So we needed our government should do something that this occurrence should not take place again.
It appears that this particular flood is much bigger than the last one. Do you see that?
It's likely because we noticed the one of 2012, but it's like this one is a little bit above that of 2012.
Okay. All right. Yeah. Good day.
Yes, good day, sir.
May I know who you are and what's your name?
My name is Krokema.
So I noticed that there's flood everywhere, but your own place is still dry. What do you say?
No, actually, my own place is not dry. There is water around me. I don't know where I'm going to pack my load and my children go. So actually, I'm looking for a place to go now, right now. So we are now suffering for water. Tell federal government to supply us some goods to use and survive.
I call the federal government or the state government.
Yes, it's a state government.
It's the same thing for the federal government.
It's the same thing to the federal government.
Okay. Thank you.
Yes.
This is the main community. This is the main roads of the community. As you can see, because of the floods, the whole place is deserted. People have moved out of their houses. People have moved out of their houses, and what used to be our main road has become just floods everywhere. So much damage to our environment, and we don't know how soon relief will come. Nobody has spoken to say that they need help from the government, and we don't know how soon that will come. Hello.
Hello, sir.
Good morning. How are you?
Fine, sir.
How are you going with this flood? You can see everywhere is flooded. Where, is this a house?
My house is this, sir.
Okay, so wow, this is too much. This is too much, man. So how do you feel, and what do you say to people, to the government especially?
Anything and just do for the floor, the house, no wala, because they need to bring some things there to the flood.
But sorry.
Thank you,
We
sir.
hope that this thing will recede very soon, so that we don't get beyond this point, because it's going to be very, very disastrous if it goes beyond this point, where houses will be submerged, like our old mother here is suffering.
Binika timolada you.
Oh?
Binika timolada in Pekapona who click up by Carmini.
Oh, Dilla.
And a Munama, my bill to go to Patan come. When you up and bad daddy come. bilhetinho seri makaseri.
Take another.
Print que nero.
Okay.
Korea baige nero.
Never name symbol for thank God.
So did I never be been when you're alive, but I can mean.
Been in your lap back already now. I'm a Kenya park baby school work. I'm baby come here. If I was saying to me, so be father. If dog women and mum war back a diam, they choose the baby believe 5 mum be pause or cat to believe 5. So better pack them over by me, Ben Berry for Red Bullade. Pack them on your fire, your mamma, Perem and so. They no boy, I post a can pellic at me. Baby Yanaka and Papa, many of our yam.
Okay. So, what about government?
By government, the army, woman about try me a cooperate. Binibo back a banner, Smeta ma cooperate, allow even woman from Musepo. Fasting that believe for the Binibo loca me. Backer Ella like a provide operamono. Backer about your mere palm, only fear we say. Bini omnu sekama na sene ya mutampa bilebo so ma mi da fila so yo fa omnu yo ko bile na so yo fa ne omona bi para yo profile do para omnu fia se ko bile ka bile sin mi fia ko fa mon bolo ka mi so mona
le ya boy bara ka bisa mo ko botumo
bo we be sene fia ko mo abo ya monde bembe bo de kura ka bini fa ko kura ko bini o bi para ka ma o ya mo mi o ya bolo ka mi sa do
Mena baby dia ni be atoka war be ya de bini bolo ka mena atoka war se kokoro sinda so be kokoro sinda atoka war be muna gba ka government dia de feel la din time mu se pe ye am ko sipo ko sida wa bolo ka mi so alala mo block mo fe ba po para ba fia bu se na ti mi lo bu se ko bile sinda na amo na fia ma ko ta ma ko se la ma ko ta ma do muna ko war bo mi an ko di alala wo yo be se presse toka war ba bi ba si Canada, why ko bring some kilometer so ko bring ko boy na.
So, tapa, baby, tapa, no man. Say why na?
Unyi mi.
Be back in where
Okay.
So, talk about this flood now. How is it feel affecting you?
Okay. And then dog mun bra me war se ko bile ka bile 5 na. Be do mo ben pele ba ni bi go war mi akai pere war ma biya bile ka bile 5 mi war mi akai pere.
Keman does a wide by me. Goes away.
When school am I back?
When a bear, yeah, school boy.
Better you know ka bo mo na.
Yenagoa.
Okay. Good morning. What is your name?
My name is Abdullah Isa.
Okay.
I'm from Jigawa State.
Okay, so you don't do this time for almost how many years now?
Yes, 2012 we don't see, 2022 we don't see.
So,
but we're not seeing it, we're not achieving it.
No, what I mean is the flood when they come right now. No, this is where it comes to so many places they damage, so many people they start water.
Things dance or by
So
SS.
I will compare this one with the previous one. So
2012, this one we passed 2012. But people lost more than 2012.
So what about this particular one?
This particular one, what are taking now? Okay. This particular one, it passed 2012.
Okay.
Yes.
So I see the condition of people for the area. And
the condition of the people, very mosquito, the warriors, some kind of sickness like that. Government support to do something for us, like all this drugs and other things, treatment.
Okay.
I'm feeding aspirin.
All right.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah. Okay, so they say these areas are also flooded, but it's like there's not much flood here.
Of course, the flood is just coming of recent. For the past 3 days, we experienced the water in the environment, and it surfaced.
So where is it coming from?
It is coming from the forest, where the channels, river channels, link to these areas. So it is coming from that area.
But it's not as bad as what we saw.
Of course, it's gradual, not that it's not bad. We do know the length it will come and cover.
Okay, so what are how are the people feeling about all this?
Well, the people are now running away from the environment. You can see that this morning, the woman leader of this community, she's just passed out of our own house. See that building? And now the water is gradual, moving by each second. So eventually it will cover so many areas, but we don't know how far it will cover.
Has there been any response from government or other people or the community? You see that those that are suffering are
actually, there is nothing like that. No response from any quarter now.
Right.
We are just having the impact.
So what are the expectations?
Well, we expect that the government should at least consider those who are now having the problem at this season, because the suffering is much. Most of our crops in the farm, this thing has been damaged.
Is there any that the community has done to say that those that are affected, are maybe least collated?
Of course, there is nothing of such donation. We have not seen any.
Not donation. I mean, the number of persons that are affected by this flood.
The number of people are much now. I cannot count.
Thank you.
They are much.
Okay. Good day, sir.
Hello, how are you?
This is unusual to see you walking in the flood like this, and even with all these loads. What is happening to this community?
My big brother, this year we are surprised to see this type of water. We never expect this water apart from the one 2012, and this one, as I'm seeing, is even more bigger than 2012 water. So we are suffering. We want the government to come and help us. If not, there will be a big disaster in this community. I am person of Elder Dennis Billa, JP, Assemblies of God Source from Ikibiri, the founder in Assemblies of God Source from Ikibiri. Thank you.
Thank you very much. For just speaking aloud, I think this community is going to need a lot of prayers, so that this flood does not, snowball into other epidemics or other kind of diseases that may affect people here.
You see, I think it is only God that will help us. If not of God, this water is not trying to finish the whole community. So my earnest prayer is that God should help this community, and also Bayelsa State, that let this water should not destroy anybody's life. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank God.
My house, water don't take finish. Now I dey inside water. Can I want house? The house don't fall finish. Everywhere. No remain, no there. Only the zinc don't remain. So I beg, I need block. Help me. Need block. Sponsor my house for me. With the jingle.